really don't want to speak. Okay, no, there's a lot of where in the 25th. Okay, we'll take it. Vision boards are like, or I am making sense. You Okay, so the other day I had put up this video about vision board, and this is actually the other day I'm shooting because I was not doing well, and I decided to take a break and then continue the entire thing further because this, again, I say it out loud that this is very important for me, and doing it in a right way means a lot to me. I do have few frequently asked questions about this vision board. Some of them are very basic, but I don't know if anyone is really interested in those basic questions. ये बोल के मैं अपने viewers को भगा रही हूँ, but it is what it is. It's okay. There are certain people जिन्हें vision boards बिल्कुल ही नहीं पता होता है, और ये मुझे ऐसे Reddit पे questions देख के realize हुआ, तो like मुझे realize नहीं हो रहा है कैसे नहीं पता है, because the entire internet is talking about vision board. या फिर बस मेरी feed में लोग बात कर रहे होंगे, तो फिर like yeah, okay, but we are taking few questions. So I have compiled all the questions and all the keywords. Your girl is smart now. Yeah. So starting with, what is a vision board? Vision board is basically the extravagant vision, like the extravagant view of your dream. For example, the other day I was also talking this to my friend कि तुम अभी बेरोजगार हो और एंड ऑफ द ईयर तुम्हें नायका में जॉब करना हो या ऑक्सफोर्ड जाना हो, तो दैट इज समथिंग वी कंसिडर एज विजन बोर्ड. How to make a vision board for 2026, vision board 26 Pinterest ideas, vision board ideas 2026 for adults. Is it too late to make 2026 vision board? How is 2026 vision board different from 2025? Should I make a new vision board every year? Can I update my older vision board? Starting with the last, yes, we can update the older vision board जिसमें से कुछ पूरी नहीं हुई है, so we can keep that and add new things to it, which is pretty very simple. Yes, we should be making vision boards every year because हर साल नया कुछ चाहिए ही होता है. Then how is it? Because our goal in 2025 was pretty very different. I feel like you grow as a person the entire year. So 2026 के लिए तुम्हारे goals काफ़ी अलग होंगे, तो obviously you should be making a new vision board. And how to make a vision board for 2026, that is कि sit down. Yeah, this is something which is very important. Last year I also didn't had the grip of it, but this year because I was running the entire December on videos only, so I've realized the thing about these influencers that what they do is they sit down, contemplate the entire year, and then they look forward how they want the next year to be in terms of health, be in terms of emotion, relationship, financial condition, traveling, whatever it is. So they prioritize the segment, whichever segment they want to. They take up like more insights from that exact segment. For example, let's say travel and health is my main focus this year, so I would be taking more of travel pictures wherever I want to go. So that is something that I'll do mostly compared to like the financial goals of mine or the career goals of mine. And if my priority is health, then I would be taking 4 to 5 keywords from the health segment and looking for pictures like that. The next thing is vision board 2026 Pinterest ideas, vision board 2026 Pinterest ideas for adult. How to make a 2026 vision board different from how is the 2026 vision board different from 2025? It is different because your goal would be different. As a person, you have grown the entire year. तो अगर लास्ट ईयर तुम्हारी प्रायोरिटी ऐसे हेल्थ थी और इस ईयर मे बी वो ना हो क्योंकि इस ईयर तुमने मोस्ट ऑफ दम चीज़ें अचीव कर ली हो, तो इस ईयर मे बी तुम्हारी प्रायोरिटी हेल्थ हो सकता है, सॉरी करियर हो सकती है, या फिर travel हो सकता है, like whatever it is. Because as I said, you have grown the entire year, so something that was relevant to you back in 2025 won't be relevant to you in this year. Should I update my older vision board instead? Yes, we can update. As I said, अगर मेरी पुरानी goals पूरी नहीं हुई है R class figure की, तो मैं obviously उसे रहने दूंगी and will add new goals, right? Vision board ideas, bro. Vision board की कोई idea नहीं होती है. You have your own goals and just look for images regarding that and just get it done. Aesthetic versus reality. Does aesthetic vision board actually help? Yes, because you would be putting that on your wallpaper or you would be putting that on your bedside. So make it in a way that you feel good watching it every day, because you have to stare at it every day, and so make it look good. Even though not aesthetic, make it in a way that it won't look like clumsy, cluttered, कि एक दिन देख रहे हैं और दूसरे दिन देखने का मन ना हो रहा हो. So, and there are some people who don't even look at their vision boards and still their goals are being accomplished. So that's that. Even तो उसमें अगर वो cluttered भी रखते हैं तो घंटा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But if you are someone जिसे रोज वैलिडेशन चाहिए होता है, तो मेक इट इन अ वे कि तुम रोज उठ के देखो और वो ऐसे भद्दा सा ना दिखे. Should my vision board look pretty or aesthetic? Can I use vision board wallpaper on laptop instead? Yes, of course we can. Does looking at Pinterest vision board wallpaper works? If it's not copied, yes, it would work. But if it's copied, it's not your goal, it's not personalized, it won't work. How do I add hobbies and personal growth goals? How to balance career self-discipline on a board? Last one is pretty good, and the other one is just keyword. Just type these keywords on Pinterest, you'll get images, use them in the Canva template, or just get them printed and use them on Canvas, stick it over. And how to balance career, self, relationship on one board. Prioritize certain things about career, prioritize certain things about yourself and your relationship. Make sure you're sticking by it. Get yourself pictures about the same, and make sure it's not cluttered. You don't have like 10 career goals, 15 self goals, and hundreds of relationship goals. Make it in a way ki there's 10, like there's 5 of career, 3 of self, and 5 of relationship. Like work upon it, whatever is your priority at that particular time, like whatever is your priority for that particular year, and then you're good to go. How many images should a vision board have? You can have as much as images you want, but don't make it cluttered. Like don't make it uneasy to watch and like very gitch. Make it in a way which is like very clear and has a sharp view. What kind of images should I add? Anything. Be it a screenshot, be it a Pinterest image, be it a AI image, be it a Google image, be it a camera photograph, anything. Any image that you visualize yourself in, just use that image. Do I need to add affirmations or text? Yeah, I did had a conversation with my friend regarding this. She said to me that she was using this affirmations, and because she was talking positive about her daily for like at least 5 minutes, because she was saying this in her wallpaper, and that actually did help her healing. And so I feel I'll add affirmation this year as well. Where should I keep the vision board? Ideally, it is supposed to be your wallpaper or in front of your eyes, but it is up to you wherever you want to keep. You can even give it over your work desk wherein you can see it regularly. I'm a Scorpio. I hate people knowing about myself, so I don't ideally keep it anywhere where it is visible to the entire world. I keep it to myself, and yeah, I don't look at it daily. Once in a while, or maybe never, or once in a 2 month, or maybe like at the end of the year. So like I'm a very secretive that way. I don't speak about myself a lot often, so you won't be knowing my vision, you won't be knowing what I want to do or how I'm gonna do it. It's something like that. Are vision board childish? No. Does vision board work for adults are also human, honey. Is it cringe to make a vision board? I don't know if it's cringe or not, but manifestation is not cringe. People do get things out of their manifestation, and if their dreams are coming true, even if it's cringe, how can you justify it? I mean, it is what it is. If you want certain things to be done, you would use like every possible legal way that you can to get it fulfilled, right? So vision board is one of them, which is kind of delulu, but I've seen Shah Rukh Khan being delulu and making it work. So can you. You are less than Shah Rukh Khan at least. I mean, yeah, of course. So if Shah Rukh Khan does it, you can do it too. Should I copy vision boards? No, never. Vision boards are very personalized thing, and how can you copy someone else's goal to yours? It's like pathetic. It's the worst thing that you can do to yourself. Are celebrities vision board for real? Ask a celebrity, honey. I still have 300 followers. 300 subscribers. As I said, I am attaching a template below. Just go over it and stick your images, put up your images, and you're good to go. Your vision board is ready. And that's what I said. It would take only 15 to 20 minutes, and there is not a hell of work that goes behind it. And it's a pretty much easy work with like kind of delusional ROI, but it does have an ROI. So even if it does not come true, no one would come and beat the shit out of you. It's something very personal and very like close to you. Just make it for yourself. Do this favor to yourself this year, and consider this as a gift to yourself. Even if it works, great, wow, wonderful. And if it doesn't, it hardly matters. Next year we'll try, or we won't even, because we don't believe in it. Like, it's as simple as that. Don't make the entire thing so complicated. You're not lagging behind it if you're not doing vision boards. And that's pretty much it. I'm tired of speaking. I've been speaking for the past 15 to 20 minutes continuously, and I can't take it anymore. So we'll just consider this as a wrap. I really hope all your visions come true, and please hope this for me as well. That's it. Bye bye.